Good morning.
I didn't try to wake you
Maggie.
up.
You started having a conversation with Victoria, were you not?
But Victoria was talking too.
You talked first. I don't speak first in the mornings. Ah! Does my hair look like Medusa right now?
Yes, it is Medusa, like every day, no matter what you do to it.
Oh. Thanks. Okay, so here's my cereal. Here's Allie's cereal. Here's Maggie's cereal.